Okay, so if you want to generate speech with the help of AI, there are numerous tools available in the market, 100% free. So what I would suggest you to is either use a customized prompt to generate a speech or use tool that are actually 100% free. So first, which we are going to cover is free AI speech generator by Copyrocket. In this, you can generate any kind of speech if you are giving a debate or if you are giving it for your family, something like that. So we will use examples for this particular tool. When you click on the first link in the description box, you will land on this page. There are different options available to input to get a very personalized speech for you. So first is a topic name. So first I will do is giving speech. This is the speech you may be giving for your family on Thanksgiving or maybe on the wedding day or something like that. So this is for that example. So here I'm Thanksgiving speech and the audience is obviously my family and this is about topic. So this is the information you need to give as a background. Like on Thanksgiving, what you actually thankful. For example, if I add something like thanks to dad for everything, right? Thank mom for all the love, sister for the guidance. You can also add a event from your family, for example, even from your past to include in this particular speech. There may be some embarrassing moment you want to share with your sister or with your mother or father. You can also do that here. So I'm just giving as an example just like that. And there is a tone I want to be a funny and emotional because I don't want it to be a very boring. So I want it to be my family to be engaged and just don't get bored or yawn while listening to my speech. So this will be the funny and emotional speech. So this is a languages. So this particular tool supports 100 plus languages. So just go ahead, enter your own language. And there's a length I would say 500, but the maximum is 1000. You can just enter however you want. And the event name. So event name you can add as either you can add to the Thanksgiving or obviously the event is Thanksgiving. So let me just click on the submit. So it will give the speech in just between 20 or 30 seconds. So just let's wait for it. So there you go. So it says, dear family, as we gather here to celebrate Thanksgiving, I can't help but feel overwhelmed with the gratitude for each one of you. The holidays this. First of all, I want to thank for Brad for everything. Next, I want to thank my mom this. Okay. And there is a thank you note. So you can also generate using this. You can find in the link to show. And the next thing is if there is something which a graduation speech or something like that. So you can also generate that with the help of this particular tool. So how to do that? For example, if my topic name is how AI is better than humans. Okay, so this is something which I want to give in my speech during any debate or a function or maybe a competition for the speeches. So audience will be obviously college students because I'm giving it in the seminar. So this is about a topic. So either you can search for the topic in the Google and type that information here such that it will take the inputs from your information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for this on search the web for this and let's see if there is any notable things that we can say. Advantage or attention. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. There's around 2024 analytics. There I'm going to paste that. So tone will be obviously professional. So language is English. So I'm keeping the length as 500 because that's it. So event name is college speech competition. So if I click on the submit, let's wait for the output. Here goes. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand to discuss a topic about forefront of technological advancement and innovation. So this goes on, and in the end it says thank you. So that's how you can generate a speech of any kind, personal, like I've told you about the Thanksgiving, and there is about college students. There is about the professional or formal speeches you want to generate. So this is about a tool which is available free, you can leverage. But if you want to do it with the help of a prompt, you can easily go ahead on the ChatGPT and you can easily generate it. So you can leverage these chatbots to generate it for you. Thing is simple, you need to type the prompt. So I will give you the prompt. So the prompt will be, so if you follow the link in the description box, you will find the Copyrocket's prompt book. So it has 10,000 plus prompts related to any sort of things. If you want to generate some content for your blog, YouTube scripts, and there is some automation, TikTok scripts, YouTube scripts, and there's the influencer outreach automation. So you can go ahead and buy this, but I'm giving you this particular prompt for free. If I copy this and paste that in this, so it says I want you to act as a speech writer, expert speech writer. So this is the same thing which we are going to do, which we have done in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy and paste all the blanks which I'm going to fill. For example, in the brackets in the topics, so you need to just type the topic about the topic, and in the audience section you just need to paste the audience like here, And there is the first I want to analyze, and there's a key takeaways is all about the background information. So background information is this. So I'm going to paste that in between these brackets. And there's a writing tone will be the professional, just like that. And language. So the length will be this. And the event name is college speech competition. That's it. So next I will type enter. So there you go. So ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and fellow students, and it will start writing it for you. So that's how you can generate a custom speech using this ChatGPT, which is available for free. So see you in the next video.